Hey guys, today, let's learn how to set up Gmail accounts on the iPhone. So if you guys are wondering how to set up your own Gmail account, if you are a new user of Gmail, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go and teach you guys how to do this, step by step. So the first thing that we need to go and do here is to tap on the Gmail application, and then of course, tap on your profile, and what I want you guys to do next is to tap on add another account. Next, of course, tap on Google, tap on continue, and what I want you guys to do from here is to go ahead and just tap on this option to create a new account. What this is going to do is, it's gonna allow you to choose two options. If you'd like to go ahead and create a new account for your personal use or for your business, and whichever option you choose, all we need to do next is, you just follow the on-screen instructions. Firstly, by entering our name, and then what we need to go ahead and do next is to enter our other personal details, which Google is gonna need you guys to provide to them, because they are gonna use that information for, of course, verification of your identity, and that confirm that you are not a robot, and to confirm that you are a real person who needs a Gmail account. So all we need to do from that is to enter the necessary details that Google needs to create our account successfully. Also choose some location and some specific personalization settings. And from there, we may also add our password and also a copy, or also choose to create a custom Gmail username. That is all for this video, guys. It's that easy to create a new and set up your own Gmail account on your iPhone. I think it was. From watching this video, please like and subscribe, and take care.